Hi, so this is my 10th grade literature website. I basically just made it for the students, acting as if I were a teacher, and this is just the welcome screen. So there's a little blob just like welcome, a little bit about what we will do and how the class will work, and then I have two quotes right here. This is one of my favorite things that you just click, and they're about education, but I like them both a lot. And then at the bottom of the page, there's just hey, follow us on social media, or hey, contact us, and then the school address. And then so we have a home, a goals, assignment, assessment, resource, and information for parents tabs. So we're on the home one. Next we're gonna go to goals. And so I basically outlined goals and expectations for the classroom, and then the goals are listed in this first text, and then the second are the expectations, and then I have just a little image, class rules and expectations, and then the assignments tab. So basically for the assignments, I wrote out the stuff we will do in class and then the homework that will be assigned. So this, I only did it for a week because I felt like it was a lot. So it goes Monday through Friday, and then you have the in-class in the bullet points, and then the numbered homework assignments. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the assignments page. It doesn't really get too in-depth, just read this, or like I put complete the online quiz, which they could copy and paste into their browser, and then there's a quiz that it takes them right to that they can complete for Tuesday, and then we'll discuss it in class. And then the assessments. So this is one of my favorite pages because I was able to add a PDF into here, which acts as the PDF is their review for the exam, so they can print it if they want, they can download it and edit it if they want. So I have that attached, and then I explain some more of the assessments. So we have a rubric because we're going to have a class discussion one day. So I have that on the website if they want to look over it. And then I'll also print it out and bring it to class so that they will have a physical copy a couple days before we have the discussion, so they know exactly what is in store. And then I also have a comment box, which what I say here is once you finish this book, please leave a comment if you liked the book and if you would recommend it. So I just really like that you could write and leave a response to a question that was asked. And then resources. So this is the resource page. I put in some links for different websites. So if they're writing a paper for me, they can go to these websites and it'll help them. And then I have a video. It's a YouTube video. It's an audiobook. So instead of buying it, I found the alternative on YouTube where they can just play it for free. And for students who have trouble reading on their own, they can listen to this and read the book. And that's just there for them. And then I put some tutoring hours and then info for parents. I also really like this page as well because I have my little blurb of what I'm saying is going on, but then my favorite part is this right here, the email. So I have my email and then the call me, but I also have this so that they can write me a message and it sends directly from the website. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And my approach was basically, I wanted it to be basic and simplistic, but I also wanted it to have a lot of features as well that would engage students, like the quotes, and I had a few pictures here and there, but and also like the PDF so that they would have it right there. So if they left, like, say I had this printed out and they left it in their locker, they wouldn't have to go back to school. They could just go on the computer, pull it up, and they'd be able to have it with them that night. And I also just wanted to like keep the rubric online so that they were prepared ahead of time and knew exactly what was going on. And yeah, my approach was just to have student information and parent information to make it not too complicated but not too simple. And I think I achieved that by having pictures and the videos and the websites and all that. But yeah, that was basically my whole website. Okay, thanks.